foodies, and welcome back to my shop. I just wanted to do a quick video for you today and tell you all about my Kreg pocket hole joiner kit. I have been using this a lot lately, especially in my coffee table video and my hot tub table, so make sure you go watch those videos to see this in action. This makes joining boards so easy. You're seriously gonna love it. I love it. Kreg has a ton of different joiners and templates. I actually have quite a few in my shop. This is the one I probably use the most. It's my favorite. And it's super simple. You set it down, you take your wood, stick it in. You can line it up wherever you need your hole specifically. I'm just gonna start in the center. Push your clamp down. Nice and tight. And then drill into your hole. I'm just gonna use the two outside holes right now, but to each your own. Today, I'm just gonna make a little picture frame or cabinet door frame. Very simple, and just show you guys how this works. So, here we go. Now for my favorite part, the screwing. Now I've got our holes done. We're ready to screw things together. I like to use a backer board just so everything stays in place. Makes my life easier. And then I've got these screws that are actually made by Kreg as well. So they're specifically designed to go in our hole. But yeah, let's put it together. Done, we're ready to screw things together. I like to use a backer board just so everything stays in place. Makes my life easier. And then I've got these screws that are actually made by Kreg as well. So they're specifically designed together. Wow. And there we go. Our frame. One thing I forgot to tell you. You can also bolt this down to any workbench if you need. I keep mine mobile so I can move it out of my way or move it to where I need it. It's easy. And it is adjustable to any thickness of wood, so depending how girthy your wood is, you can fit it in. Super great. Wow. That's about it for the Kreg joiner kit. Thank you guys for drilling some holes with me today, and make sure to let me know if you get one of these for yourself. Woo. If you haven't already, go check out my coffee table video and hot tub table. I did some big projects with this specific jig. This was so much fun, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you go out and get this jig for yourself, let me know what you think in the DMs, or if you want to see some fun content from the wood shop, hit me up. And until then, happy building!